another case that is most of the time also on the media, the killing of a Democratic Alliance councillor and a chief whip in Umgeni municipality. We again had managed to turn all the boxes to green, except of course for the firearm that is still outstanding. That is the case that if we check on our one-to-one dockets, as we gave the updated report, those dockets are now 120 because he was charged then on one of those dockets that were under investigation during the movement of those dockets. But the misinformation there was the team that was not willing to work together with the AfriForum private investigators. The team did not see the reason why the municipality will contract private investigators for payments, whereas there is free services by government to investigate the case of the councillor. And then that is the case that has been completely investigated. It took a little bit longer again to completely investigate that case because of the issues that the team was having with the AfroForum. Our reports were always talking to the AfroForum acting not far away from defeating the ends of justice and obstructing the political killing justice team from doing their work. But then at the end of the day, that case is now completely investigated.